Hello everyone! Welcome back once again to DOK GILMAC Online Tutorial, Basic Mathematics Tutorial. The topic I'm going to discuss for today's tutorial is all about addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. When do we say that two fractions are dissimilar? Two fractions are dissimilar if and only if they have different denominator. Let's have illustrative examples. Number 1, 1/2 and 2/3 are dissimilar fractions. 1/4 and 5 are dissimilar fractions. 5 1/3 and 3/7 are dissimilar fractions. Take note, they have different denominator. For number 2, the whole number 5 can be written as 5/1. So therefore, they have different denominators. 1 and 4 are different. So take note of that. So 1/4 and 5 are dissimilar fractions. Take note, in adding or subtracting dissimilar fractions, find first their least common denominator or LCD. Then follow rules in adding or subtracting similar fractions. Let's have illustrative example number 1. Add 1/2 and 2/3. Reduce to lowest terms if possible. 1/2 plus 2/3 have an LCD of 6. Then, after getting the LCD, we divide 6 by 2. So that is just equal to 3 times 1. So we have 3. Plus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 2. We have 4. So that is just equal to 3 plus 4 all over 6. Or 7/6. Or that is simply equal to 1 and 1/6. Let's have illustrative example number 2. Add 3/4 and 1/5. Reduce to lowest terms if possible. 3/4 plus 1/5. Take note, the LCD of 3/4 and 1/5 is 20. Then, we divide 20 by 4, that is 5, times 3, we have 15. Plus, 20 divided by 5 is 4, times 1, so we have 4. So that is just equal to 15 plus 4 all over 20. Or simply equal to 19/20. Let's recall changing mixed number to improper fraction. 4 and 2/3 is just equal to 3 times 4 plus 2 all over 3. Or that is 12 plus 2 all over 3. Or simply equal to 14/3. Let's have illustrative example number 3. Add 1/3 and 2 2/3. Reduce to lowest terms if possible. The first thing we have to do here is to change the given mixed number into an improper fractions. So we have 4 times 1 plus 3 is 7 all over 4. Plus 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8 all over 3. Then, we get the LCD of 7/4 plus 8/3, which is simply equal to 12. Then 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 7, so we have 21. 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 8 is 32. So this is just equal to 21 plus 32 all over 12, or simply equal to 53 all over 12, or 4 and 5 over 12. Recall, changing fractions to equivalent fractions. 1/3 is equivalent to 2 over 6. Why? Because we just multiplied 2 in the denominator and numerator. So 1 times 2 all over 3 times 2. So we have 2 over 6. So take note, 1/3 is just equal to 2 over 6. Common factor is 2. 3/5 is just equal to 9 over 15. Because we have 3 times 3 all over 5 times 3. Here, common factor is 3. So take note, 3 over 5 is just equal to 9 over 15. So we just multiplied a constant number which is 3 to both numerator and denominator of 3 over 5. So we have 9 over 15. Take note, after getting the LCD, we can use the concept of getting equivalent fractions to add or subtract dissimilar fractions to make it similar. Let's have illustrative example number 4. Subtract 2/3 minus 1/5, reduce to lowest terms if possible. 2/3 is simply equal to 10 over 15 and 1/5 is just equal to 3 over 15. Take note, we just multiplied 5 for 2/3, both numerator and denominator of 2/3, and for 1/5 we just multiplied 3 for both numerator and denominator to get the LCD, which is 15. So take note, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15, and 1 times 3 is 3, and 5 times 3 is 15. So from here, we can get the difference of these two given fractions. 10 minus 3 is 7. So that's simply equal to 7 over 15. Or we can simply determine the difference by just getting the LCD right away. So, say for instance, we have 4/5 minus 1/4. 4/5 minus 1/4 is just equal to 16 minus 5 over 20. Since the LCD of 4/5 and 1/4 is 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4, times 4 is 16. 20 divided by 4 is 5, times 1 is 5. 16 minus 5 is just equal to 11. So 11 over 20. Let's have illustrative example number 6. Subtract 3 and 3/4 minus 2 and 1/5. Reduce to lowest terms if possible. Change this given mixed number into an improper fractions. So we have 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15, all over 4. Minus 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, all over 5. The LCD is 20, so we have 20 divided by 4 is 5, times 15 is 75, minus 20 divided by 5 is 4, times 11 is 44. So we get the difference of 75 and 44 all over 20, that is just equal to 31 over 20, or 1 and 11 over 20. Again, I would like to thank you for watching. Stand by for my next tutorial. Stay safe, everyone, and may God bless us all.